So it's me, Ariza, back from Rise of Unroll. Hello. So now I'm gonna make a Batman mask as there, and then the things I'm gonna tell you what we need is some color pencils or some markers and all in this, some paper. You can use a black paper first, or you can use. I'm gonna use a white paper, and then I'm gonna draw. And if it's bad, I'm gonna do another one, and then I'm gonna put it on this black paper. You can cut a piece out of a big one. So, and then we needed a glitter glue, but I didn't have it, so I'm gonna use normal glitter. And so we need this. You can also use a ribbon, and this is from Amara's last birthday that we had birthday caps. So I had these already, so I just used them. And so of course we need a pencil to draw, and then we need some scissors. You can use baby scissors or big scissors. A rubber if you do a mistake. That is very important. A rubber and a pencil. And then I have some colors, as I told you, and then some markers. And then I have some feathers if I want to decorate it a little bit. And I have, of course, glue so I can stick the things. And of course, for the glitter, I need glue. And then I have so many glitters. And then I have a scale if I do need to make a straight line. And I think so. I have some pens and a napkin. So for my glitter, I'll just put it there and go. Hello, I am Batman's eye. Ha ha ha. Just kidding. I just cut them out. So I just cutted my paper and the holes and all. And the eyes, of course. These are the eyes. Ha ha. So now I'm gonna put the glitter as it is the step after. So here's some glue. Let's put some glue. So friends, at last this is the final look. Oh, not the final look. I even have this, so I have to put this inside there. It's like a ribbon. It's a string. So there you go. So this is the final look with the glitter and cutting and all. So let's do it. Yes, she's telling that she wants to wear it. Just like I just guessed.
What sister made?
So here I put this. I put this there.
This
Time to
one.
put it on. So I'll put it first and I'll put it on Ahana. And then there you go. Carefully, huh? It's made of paper. Wow, do I look good? Anna, do I look good? Please comment down below if I look good, and will you make this? Also comment down below. Comment down below. I will make Black Bad Man mask. Ha 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 ha.